Hey everyone, George here again. I'm still helping people to fix their signal problems all over the world. And today's Signal Hero story is about outdoor boosters. I will show you what they are, how they work, what they cost, and how easy they are to install. Let me tell you about a recent project. It's a resort that needed a better signal. And we are talking about huge 116,000 square meters. Sounds massive, right? But here is the cool part. It's actually not too hard to boost signal for big spaces like this. Don't believe me, right? Okay, guys, so we are talking about how to boost outdoor signal. Generally, what we do and all customers, what they inquire is a signal booster for external purposes. And outdoor signal boosters are mostly requested by big companies, by mobile providers, but some specific customers who might have outdoor signal reception problems in the farms, some big resorts, or places where it's crowded, or there should be some land and they don't have a good reception. I mean, the reception is still available, but if calls keep dropping, it's not good as well. And so in this case, we can offer the outdoor signal reception device. And to be honest, it's not actually so hard. It's almost the same device which you see on the website, just only with slight difference in terms of external antenna. So let me go through. I made some examples here, and I will do highlighting like this just for your reference to see what I have drawn here. And this is an example with the simple house, which I will show you later. But let's focus on the example in resort, because today's customer is a resort owner, and we have some video photos of this resort I'll be sharing here in the video, and you can see how it looks like. And I made this drawing like similar to his resort. Like there are cottages here, and it's a very big place. And let's assume this is 116,000 square meters. Not looking great, but I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, so let's imagine there are houses and there are some places to walk around, and there is no signal. I mean, there is a signal, but it's extremely weak. Calls keep dropping, and you don't get any good reception. So what we do, let me focus here. So let's say we have this example, and we put in some house an external antenna, signal receiver. This one. This is receiving the signal from the nearest cell tower, like in any other case in the signal boosting industry, and it is connected with the cable to the signal booster. This is the signal booster. Right? The simple signal booster. Not so simple because it's quite powerful, but it's still a signal booster. And what is the next step? In most cases, we connect the internal transmitter antenna, and it's transmitting the signal inside the house. This is how it works. But what we did in this case, we put a long pole outside in the yard, not so far from house. Let's say in 10 meters distance, or maybe 15 or 20 or 30, even 50 meters, but not so far. And we put external high gain external signal transmitter panel antenna. This is the panel antenna example, and it's in reality it looks like this. It's quite heavy, maybe 4 or 5 kilograms, but not that big, which we offer to mobile providers. So this is a consumer version. So what is the purpose of this antenna? This is transmitting the signal. It transforms the existing signal, which is received by this receiver, and it is transformed with the signal booster to solid 4 or maybe 5 bars. 4 to 5 bar signal. I mean, the external signal is about 1 bar, and in the end, you get 4 to 5 bars. And how it transfers the signal, the transmission process. In reality, the transmission is like this. It transmits almost 360 degrees, almost. But it looks like this. It's a panel-shaped antenna. It should be transmitting like this, in this direction. I mean, the direction should be limited. But in reality, in the open space, it can transmit also backwards. It depends on some situations like blocking trees or blocking buildings. The situation might be different. But when we set this up, in reality, the transmission is great. And it can do up to 200 meters. 200 meters, guys. This is massive. 200 meters is quite long. And what I did for this resort, the resort owner should have a look to this video. And here I put 2 examples. First here and another here. I'm not sure 2 sets will be working for the entire resort, because it should be about 400 meters. It should be. And please consider the fact there are blocking factors like buildings, trees, which are blocking the signal. But when we put such a signal booster in the open space, it can do up to 200 meters. So perfectly for this situation, for the resort to place 1, 2, 3, 4 boosters all around this area. So we'll be covering entire area. And here in the second example, It is the same as the first one. There's no actual big difference. So the external receiver antenna on the roof, building roof, the signal booster inside, it should be hidden inside. This is how it works. And the long pole near the house, and the signal transmitter panel antenna on the big pole, which is transmitting the signal. And this is connected to the booster with the cable. And booster connected with the cable to the external antenna, which is receiving the signal. And here I also put the signal transmitter antenna inside the house. So it means you will be benefiting also to use the signal in the building. So this is how it works. So I hope you understand, and if you have any questions, more technical questions, you're welcome to ask. I'm happy to answer every question. And here I put some example of prices. I will convert these prices into dollars because I put from our British website. And if anyone will see this video in the other country, like in South Africa, where it's very popular, also in the Australia, New Zealand, this is also popular in the UK or Ireland. But in most cases, this is quite popular in South Africa because huge area and a lack of signal. So 750 pounds is very close to $1,000. This is dual band. In most cases, dual band frequency, 800 and 1800. It's enough, but we can also offer single band, and price will start somewhere in the range of 600 pounds. And this is only the booster device with the standard set of cables and antennas. But we should also have here the panel antenna for outside purposes. And this is the panel antenna, which price is 115 pounds. It's about $150. So if we just convert it to the dollar, in the end we have $1,200. I'm just giving you rough pricing. So the real pricing will have like some difference, maybe 5 or 10%. And in the end, you will have a signal booster with this special panel antenna, which will be boosting the signal everywhere, and you may have the benefit for all the signal boosting. So guys, I hope this is clear how we boost outdoor signal and how easy it is in reality. And at the moment, I'm sure that we do offer this solution because the signal boosting industry is not so massive. We know everyone, how they work, what do they offer, and our company can definitely do this boosting signal outdoor. This is what we do. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you have any more questions, how to boost outdoor signal, indoor signal, the technical details for this device, you're welcome to ask. I'm here available all the time. Thanks for watching. I'm George, and this was Signal Hero Stories. Have a great day. Bye.